In the not-too-distant future, in a land not so far away, a group of Sasquatch escape from Canada and steal a SpaceX rocket and fly to Mars, populating the planet before humans do. Over the decades, SpaceX has terraformed Mars, oxygenating the atmosphere and bombarding the Martian environment with random Earth DNA. The world the Sasquatches discover is not unpopulated at all, but rather rich with exotic life. The Sasquatch quickly adapt, learning to tame and ride the various beasts they encounter on Mars. Some Sasquatch fly on giant pterodactyls, giant dragonflies, and even giant. They use these beasts to scout the land and to hunt. One even tamed a giant spider. Some Sasquatch on Mars have even learned how to ride an amphibious carnivorous creature like a large salamander, perfect for catching fish and other amphibious prey. The most extreme have even tamed crocodiles, though this one hardly seems tame. And surprisingly, Sasquatch can be seen riding dinosaurs too. Brontosaurs, velociraptors, and even the mighty Tyrannosaurus rex have been domesticated by Sasquatch. Of course, the Brontosaurus is the perfect amphibious vehicle, and the velociraptors and Tyrannosaurus rex are the perfect hunting partners for the Sasquatch on Mars.